security situation at the Oriire local government area, the abduction of some teachers and school children, and for our troops, our service commanders, and a few wounded both soldiers and hunters and other operatives. They are recovering fully, and the government will continue to take responsibility for ensuring that they fully recover and look after their medical bills. What we know right now is that 7 teachers in all are involved, were abducted, and unfortunately we got a video this morning that one of the teachers, I understand the maths teacher, was killed by the terrorists this morning. Of course, our prayers are with the family. We have decided that we will adopt not just the kinetic approach. There's been a lot of threats. There's been a lot of our leaders and elders, religious elders, especially the Baptist convention, because one of the schools involved is a Baptist school. I want to appeal. We are not taking this lightly. I want to appeal to everybody, citizens, residents, in particular of Oriire local government and the rest of the Oyo State. I want to appeal that we're doing everything within our power to ensure that this we resolve quickly and we bring our children back safely. But it is a very difficult and challenging situation. So please, there may not be quick fixes, but we will continue to endeavor to push ourselves to the limit to resolve this quickly. And we will be briefing the press every evening, starting from this one tomorrow until more information becomes available. So that's where we are right now. If you have any questions.
Breaking news. Ninu Oyo TV. Stay updated.